Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USACLEAN for 11 years, and this is a Tennant S5 sweeper. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. Okay, so we need to replace your skirts, whether it be your right side or your left side. This is your right side when you're behind the machine. Now, your right side and your left side, although they are similar, there are a few more things that you have to take apart on the left side. So we're gonna start on the right side right here. So take a 5mm Allen and unscrew these bolts. And now this bracket will just pull out, just like that. Okay, this just makes it easier to remove the skirt. Now, take a 9/32 socket and remove the 5 nuts. Okay, now we can separate the bracket and remove the skirt. Now, take your new skirt and go ahead and reinstall it. Just like that. Take the bracket, line up the holes. And then tighten your nuts back down. Now we can put the bracket back on the machine. I do want to mention that when you're installing your new skirt, that the tapered edge faces the front of the machine. So go ahead and slide it back into place here. Make sure these are good and tight. And you're done with the right side. Okay, so we're gonna show you that extra step that you have to take to replace the left-hand side skirt. What you're gonna have to do is you're going to have to remove one extra bracket, which is right here, and there are 3 Phillips head screws holding that bracket to the machine. Just like that. Now what we can do is we can take our 5mm Allen and remove the 2 Allens holding your skirt bracket to the machine. Now just remove the bracket, just like that. Now from this point, everything is the same as the right-hand side bracket. Removing these nuts, pulling apart the bracket, replacing your side skirt, and tightening the nuts back down. Now installing, just reverse your steps. Now we're going to put back on that one extra bracket we had to take off. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.